Two-factor authentication not working on Plaid Investments Fix. If your two-factor authentication isn't working on Plaid Investments, don't worry, this issue is surprisingly common, and you can usually fix it in minutes. Plaid uses time-based verification codes and secure connections, and most failures come down to small device or network issues. First, check your phone's date and time. Go to your settings, enable set time automatically, and make sure your time zone is correct. Two-factor codes depend on precise timing, and even a few seconds of difference can cause Plaid to reject your login attempt. If you're using text-based authentication, but the code never arrives, try switching to mobile data or toggling airplane mode briefly. Some mobile carriers block automated financial messages or delay them during high traffic periods. Next, make sure both the Plaid Investments app and your Authenticator app are fully updated. Outdated apps may have compatibility issues with the latest security systems. If you recently upgraded or reset your phone, your old setup won't work anymore. On the login screen, tap "Having trouble signing in?" and follow the recovery steps to verify your identity and re-enable authentication on your new device. Here's a pro tip: check your network and VPN. Plaid's authentication servers sometimes reject connections through VPNs or high-security firewalls. Temporarily disable them while signing in to see if that resolves the issue. Lastly, store your backup recovery code safely through your lifeline if your Authenticator app fails or your phone is lost. So if two-factor authentication isn't working on Plaid Investments, sensing your time, updating your apps and checking your connection usually fixes the issue fast. Once resolved, you'll have secure, smooth access to your linked accounts and investments without interruptions.